Hello everyone. Happy November 9th. Today we celebrate Chaos Never Dies Day, Scrubs, and the joy of embracing imperfection. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Chaos Never Dies Day. A humorous reminder that life is always a little messy. A great gift could be a stress relief kit, a quirky planner, or a go-with-the-flow mug. What's your favorite way to embrace chaos? Let's laugh it off in the comments. Next, it's National Scrubs Day, honoring healthcare workers and their iconic uniforms. A thoughtful gift could be a comfy scrub set, a personalized badge reel, or a thank you care package. Know a healthcare hero? Let's celebrate them in the comments.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Go to an Art Museum Day, a celebration of creativity, culture, and visual storytelling. A sweet gift could be museum tickets, an art print set, or a sketchbook with prompts. What's your favorite art style? Let's paint the comments with ideas. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.